Hello students, in this problem we have to find the value of sec inverse of this summation taken from k is equal to 0 to 14, 0 to 10 divided by 4 in the interval minus pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. So obviously we have to find the summation first of all. So let's begin with that. This summation, let's call it S. This is summation for k is equal to 0 to 10 of sec 7 pi by 12 plus k pi by 2 multiplied by sec 7 pi by 12 plus k plus 1 pi by 2. Now obviously we are going to convert it in terms of cos. K is equal to 0 to 10. This is now 1 by cos of 7 pi by 12 plus k pi by 2 plus cos 7 pi by 12 plus k plus 1 pi by 2. Now if you note this thing that the 7 pi by 12 is both in these terms, and k pi by 2 and k pi by 2 plus pi by 2, this is this. So if we take the difference, then we get pi by 2. So sin pi by 2, that is equal to 1. So we can write this 1 as sine of k plus 1 pi by 2 plus 7 pi by 12 minus 7 pi by 12 plus k pi by 2 divided by cos of 7 pi by 12 plus k pi by 2 multiplied by cos of 7 pi by 12 plus k plus 1 pi by 2. Summation of this is to be taken from k is equal to 0 to 10. Now this is something like this situation: sine of a minus b divided by cos a cos b. If you apply the formula of sine a minus b on that, this will be sine a cos b minus sine b cos a divided by cos a cos b. That will give us simply tan a minus tan b. That means this whole expression is giving us tan a minus tan b. This is a for us and this is b. So this summation S is now summation from k is equal to 0 to 10 of 10 7 pi by 12 plus k plus 1 pi by 2 minus 10 7 pi by 12 minus plus k pi by 2. Summation of this. Now if you take this function as f of k, this is simply the summation of f of k plus 1 minus f of k for k is equal to 0 to 10. So this will be equal to f of 1 minus f of 0 plus f of 2 minus f of 1, and if you keep on adding like that, f of 11 minus f of 10, these two will be the last terms, and this f of 1 will cancel out this one. Other terms in between will also cancel out. Only this part and this part that will be remaining. So using that, we said that this function is f of k. So we are getting f of 11 minus f of 0. So f of 11, that will be 10 7 pi by 12 plus 11 pi by 2 minus f of 0, that will be equal to 10 7 pi by 12 only. and this is tan 73 pi by 12 minus tan 7 pi by 12. Now let's convert them in some angles which can be handled. So what we do is we can write this as tan of 6 pi plus pi by 12, and this can be written as tan of pi by 2 plus pi by 12. Now tan of 6 pi plus pi by 12, that will be equal to tan pi by 12 minus, this will be second quadrant where tan is negative, so plus cot pi by 12. Now this is tan theta plus cot theta, so if we convert that in sine and cos, this is simply sine theta divided by cos theta plus cos theta divided by sine theta. Combine them to get sine square theta plus cos square theta divided by sine theta cos theta, and this is 2 upon sine 2 theta. Here theta is pi by 12, so this will be equal to 2 upon sine 2 theta, that will be equal to pi by 6, and sine pi by 6 is 1 by 2, so this is equal to 4. Now we can get the expression. This is 1 by 4 into this summation. This summation we got equal to 4, so 1 by 4 into 4, 1. So this is sec inverse 1 effectively. Sec inverse 1, that is equal to 0. So 0 is the solution lying in between minus pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. So that is the value of this expression, 0. That should be the correct answer. Let's confirm it. That is okay. 0 is the correct answer. Thank you.